Samsung Galaxy Tab S7 Plus 5G listed on the German's official website. While we wait for the Samsung Unpacked conference to take place somewhere in August, one of the product series that we expect to see getting launched at such event is the next Samsung Galaxy Tab S7 series, which, as you may know, includes the Tab S7 and Tab S7 Plus 5G. Well, today the more premium of the two, the Samsung Galaxy Tab S7 Plus 5G, was found on the company's German website. More specifically, a new device with model name SMT976B was sitting in the support area of the website. The device with said model number was removed quickly after it went public. That said, the support page did not show any of the specs on the tablet. All it did was confirm its existence, but we really didn't need it after the incredible amount of leaks we've seen in the past weeks. However, since the model number is the same as the tablet previously found on Geekbench, we now have a somewhat official confirmation of a good number of its specs. Starting with the processor, which will be a modern and powerful Qualcomm Snapdragon 865, and along with it, we'll find support for 5G networks. The CPU will then be coupled with at least 6 GB of RAM, and it will run Android 10 out of the box. Additionally, according to the latest TÜV Rheinland and Korea safety certifications, the tablet will be powered by a massive 9,800 mAh capacity. Although some suggest the actual capacity could be above 10,000 mAh as well. As far as rumors are concerned, we expect the Samsung Galaxy Tab S7 Plus 5G to pack a large 12.4-inch display with 1600 by 2560 resolution and a 120 Hz refresh rate for an extra smooth user experience. The higher refresh rate should also make the tablet a really good alternative to the quite successful Apple iPad Pro with its 120 Hz display. Meanwhile, the more affordable Samsung Galaxy Tab S7 should be packing a smaller 11-inch display, although still running at 120 Hz. Anyhow, we'll finally find out all the specs in about a month. As we previously mentioned, the Samsung Unpacked conference is expected to take place in August, more specifically on August 5 according to a leak. The tablet series should be accompanied by the next Galaxy Note 20, Note 20 Plus, the foldable Galaxy Fold 2, and the Galaxy Watch 2. Which one are you most looking forward to see? Are you waiting for a premium Apple iPad Pro alternative? Let us know down below. Please subscribe my channel for more latest news and update. Thanks.